Hi, kids. Soon, it's going to be Valentine's Day, and I want to make a card. I'm going to draw a heart on it. Did you know that the heart beats around 100,000 times a day? I think that's pretty amazing. Okay, here we go. I'm drawing on one side only because I'm going to fold the paper in two to make the card, just like this. All right, I draw a line right down the middle, and here we go, a heart. Big swooping side there to the right, and then the left, and then fill it in with red. And give it a little paw of love. Now, let's fold the paper in two so that the heart is at the front. On the inside, I'm going to write, "To Minette." Nice. So cool. I have a great card to give Minette for Valentine's Day. See you soon. Ciao.